Welcome to my Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender review. If you're looking for a reliable blender that won't break the bank, then the Hamilton Beach Power Elite packs plenty of punch for your daily smoothie and shake needs. This 700-watt blender features a wave action system that continuously pulls ingredients down into the blades while blending. You'll appreciate how it crushes ice and frozen fruit with its stainless steel ice saber blades, creating silky smooth drinks without chunks or bits left behind. The blending performance really shines when making protein shakes and frozen drinks. The powerful motor handles ice crushing without straining, while the blade design prevents ingredients from getting stuck. The 40-ounce glass jar gives you plenty of room to make multiple servings at once. A no-mess pouring spout prevents drips and spills when serving your creations. And the simple 5-button control panel lets you access 12 different blending functions for everything from smoothies to dips. Cleanup is a breeze too, since the jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe. The icing on the cake for me is that the sturdy glass construction feels more premium than plastic alternatives, which is a welcome change. The wave action system creates a continuous flow that pulls ingredients down into the blades. As a result, your ingredients won't get stuck on the sides of the jar like with basic blenders. The unique circulation pattern ensures everything gets thoroughly blended. You'll notice smoother smoothies and shakes without chunks of fruit or ice left behind. The system works by creating a vortex effect that repeatedly forces ingredients through the blades. This innovative design tackles tough ingredients with impressive efficiency. When you're crushing ice or blending frozen fruit, the wave action prevents ingredients from getting trapped above the blades. The constant movement means you won't need to stop and scrape down the sides of the jar. The 700-watt motor powers this smart blending action. Your drinks come out silky smooth thanks to the combination of the wave action system and the stainless steel ice saber blades. Of course, for very heavy blending tasks, the blender will need more time, and there are more powerful options on the market, but for what most people need, this Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender is a great buy in my opinion. The pour spout design really takes the stress out of serving your morning smoothies because you won't have to worry about drips or spills running down the side of the jar when you're pouring your drinks. The jar's 40-ounce capacity gives you plenty of room to make multiple servings at once. Plus, a hinged cap on the lid lets you add ingredients while blending without making a mess. The minimum amount of liquid needed is 1 cup for proper blending. If the mixture gets stuck, simply add more liquid through the pour spout to get things moving again. Cleaning up after making your favorite smoothies and shakes couldn't be easier. The 40-ounce glass jar, lid, and blades all pop right into your dishwasher for hassle-free cleanup. The removable blade design means you won't have to worry about food getting trapped underneath. Just separate the parts and let your dishwasher do the work. The glass jar's wide opening makes hand washing simple too, if you prefer to clean it right after use. The BPA-free materials ensure that even after many washing cycles, the parts maintain their quality without any concerns about chemicals leaching into your drinks. With the Hamilton Beach Power Elite, you can control your blending experience with 5 simple buttons that access 12 different functions. You can create smooth milkshakes, crush ice for frozen drinks, or puree vegetables for soups with just a push of a button. The easy-to-read control panel lets you switch between functions quickly. Whether you're dicing vegetables for salsa or chopping nuts for baking, you'll find a setting that matches your needs. Want to make a protein shake? Select the smoothie function to break down tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice. Need to prepare baby food? The puree setting creates near-perfect consistency every time. The multiple speed options give you precise control. Start slow when mixing delicate ingredients, then increase power for tougher items. You can also pulse ingredients for quick chopping or run continuous cycles for thorough blending. These versatile functions make the blender suitable for everyday kitchen tasks, from morning smoothies to evening meal prep. Now for the pros and cons section of my Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender review. Starting with the pros, the 700-watt motor packs enough punch to crush ice and frozen fruits with ease. The wave action system pulls ingredients down toward the blades for smoother blending. The 40-ounce glass jar is dishwasher safe and more durable than plastic. A well-designed pouring spout prevents drips and messes. Simple 5-button control panel gives you access to 12 blending functions. Glass jar won't absorb food odors or stains like plastic containers. The stainless steel ice saber blades make quick work of frozen ingredients. As for the cons, the glass jar makes the unit heavier than plastic alternatives. Some users report the lid can be tricky to remove. The base takes up more counter space than compact models, not as powerful as premium blenders in the 1000 plus watt range. The cord length may limit placement options in your kitchen. After weighing the benefits and drawbacks, this Hamilton Beach blender delivers solid performance for basic blending needs. You get 700 watts of power to handle ice crushing and smoothie making, along with 12 versatile functions packed into a straightforward design. The 40-ounce glass jar provides enough capacity for family portions. While it might not match premium models in power or features, the wave action system works effectively to pull ingredients down toward the blades for consistent results. The simple controls and dishwasher-safe parts make it easy to use and clean. This blender proves to be a practical choice if you need a reliable kitchen companion for smoothies, shakes, and basic food prep without breaking the bank.